Click on the link below to get price. The 4500 square FT dehumidifier is an impressive appliance designed to tackle humidity issues in various spaces, including basements, bedrooms, and garages. With a capacity to remove up to 9 gallons of moisture per day, it effectively combats dampness, mold, and mildew, creating a healthier indoor environment. From the moment I set up the dehumidifier, I was struck by its robust design and user-friendly interface. The sleek, modern appearance fits well in any room, while the built-in wheels allow for easy mobility. I particularly appreciate the digital display that provides real-time humidity levels and allows for precise control settings, ensuring optimal performance. One standout feature is the continuous drainage option, which is a game-changer for those who want to eliminate the hassle of regularly emptying the water tank. Simply connect a standard garden hose, and the unit takes care of moisture extraction without constant supervision. However, the 1.8-gallon tank is also efficient for those who prefer manual drainage, with an alert system that notifies you when it's full. Performance-wise, the dehumidifier operates quietly, making it suitable for bedrooms and living spaces without disturbing sleep or daily activities. After using it in my basement, I noticed a significant decrease in humidity levels within just a few days, which helped reduce musty odors and improve the overall air quality. Energy efficiency is another strong point. The unit consumes minimal power while delivering outstanding results. It's worth noting that it comes equipped with a washable filter, which is easy to maintain and contributes to prolonged life. Overall, the 4500 square FT dehumidifier is a reliable solution for anyone dealing with excess humidity. Its combination of performance, ease of use, and energy efficiency makes it a valuable addition to any home. Whether you're trying to improve air quality in a damp basement or simply want to create a more comfortable living space, this dehumidifier delivers on its promises.